Phew! It's still probably the coolest road I've been on thus far. Let's turn around. We've done this before. Woo. Oh wow, that was really easy. Well, I say we roam around in traffic and see if we can't encounter some funny people or just interesting things, so that you guys don't have to listen to me endlessly babble. Ooh, did some more heel and toe. It's really I'm figuring out the foot placement and all that, but it still needs to become muscle memory. Wow, bird! Yep, this car is still cool. Like, I'm constantly dreaming about R34s and E46s and Evo 10s and McLaren P1s and all that good stuff, but this car is still cool. Oh man. And actually, funny thing, we're by the time these videos are coming out, we'll be coming up on my birthday and also the anniversary of me buying this car, which will be cool. That's kind of exciting, ain't it? Because for those of you who don't know, this is actually my first car. You know, I got it. You know, it's a manual, obviously, as you can see. Chug chug. Chug chug. And I got it. One of the most important things for me when I was getting my first car is that it had to be a manual, and I didn't know how to drive manual at the time. So this car not only is my first car, but I learned how to drive manual in this car. I could tell when I was trying to go down a gear, I accidentally went up a gear. I could feel it that time. I don't always notice, but that time I did. Get ready for noises. Wasn't quite as many noises as I thought there was going to be. I thought there would be at least a little bit more snap, crackle, pop, but there wasn't. I feel lied to. Did some more heel and toe, though I was only using the brake by about this much. So who knows? Who knows if I'm actually figuring this crap out or not. Alright guys, find your accelerator. We're going 10 under currently. There we go. Whatever was slowing us down is no longer a problem. Maybe. Maybe not. Littering! How very dare you! You fiend! Fiend! Evil! Ah, my eyes are really dry. What the heckington? I'm also getting really hot. I think what I'll have to do is turn on the air conditioner. Holy moly. And turn down the temperature as well. There we go. Ah, that's nice. We're staying away from speed limits, it seems. That's, I guess that's fine. I don't know which one of the cars in front of me is driving slowly, or if it's all of them collectively working together in some kind of slow driver conspiracy. We will bring down society by driving 10 miles per hour below the speed limit. And then we'll drive even slower in the passing lane. I think it's this person. This person is driving slow. Or maybe I just like to accelerate faster for some reason. Even when I'm not trying to launch the car, it always feels like I accelerate. Stop littering! God damn it! Nah! You fiend! Evil! What was I talking about? God damn it. Forgot what I was talking about. Actually starting to get a little cold. Isn't that weird? It's only 43 out and I'm getting hot in here. What the heck? Can you stop littering, please? Madam or sir, or whatever the heck you are. I don't really care what you are. Red Mustang with black stripes to make it go faster. Is there something wrong with your arm? What are you doing? Oh. Why was my turn signal on? When did I turn that on? Again, people don't like to drive at the speed limit for some reason. Usually people are speeding. What the heck? Luckily I'm not in a hurry to get anywhere, because everyone's being really freaking slow. What the heck is behind me? Is that a UPS delivery truck? UPS. It's in the mail. Mini Cooper has a bunch of paw prints on it. Why are you edging? Oh, I think it might be two older people in that car. That might be why, regardless of whether they're aware of the speed limit or not. Their sense of speed must be a little skewed or something. There's a nice, well, it could be a nice looking BMW. Just turned into the parking lot of the store behind me. Saw it in the rearview mirror. I doubt you guys are going to be able to make that out, but heck. Nope. That was bad. Yikes. That was my attempt at doing heel and toe. Messed up my balance for just about everything. Well, this is nice. I just have no one in front of me. This is the kind of driving I prefer. Alright, let's try this again. That wasn't quite what I had in mind. Oh, Jesus. Ah. Why is this so tricky? I think the Volkswagen was racing me. I could hear his engine revving higher. Bye-bye, little Volkswagen. That was funny. I wasn't expecting that at all. Ooh, what is that? 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 Well, that was all nice sounding. I don't know what the heck that was. That was a little convoy of nice cars. Oh, is there like a meet going on over here? Huh. I'm going to have to investigate that, because that looks interesting. Well, I'm gonna go and investigate that, because heck, that looks cool. I'll see if I can't take a few clips and pictures with my phone. But yeah, I'm gonna see what that's all about.